Hey YouTube, what up? Noah from Autograph TTM Inc. here, coming back at ya. Got a mail day vid and a PC update and another update. Okay, so we'll start with the mail. Got these two things in today. Got this off eBay for the Hayward PC. This T206 Topps T206 rare Jason Hayward card. Got it for like $1, $3 shipped. And then got the card in from the trade with Jake Zach Drew 08. And today got a Jason Donald blue rookie refractor auto numbered 25 out of 199. So that was nice. Thanks, Jake. Your package will be sent out on Monday. And same with D-Dog Stewie 26. Your package will be sent out Monday also. Alright, so I got an update on the Hayward PC. This is all the stuff they have. Got a pocket schedule with Jason Hayward on it. Got this card. If you have another one of this card, PM me because I may trade for it. Then the one I got in today, the rare T206. The Jason Hayward autograph from Topps Chrome they pulled. A schedule for next year with Jason Hayward on it right there. Braves sticker. And then this baseball youth with Jason Hayward on it. So I got that. That's all the stuff in the Hayward PC. And then again, update on December 6th, I'm going to a Clay Matthews public signing. You may know him as the Sack Master, but he's a great player for the Packers. This is the second year and he has like 11.5 sacks. So anyways, I'm going to a signing of his on December 6th. It's really expensive. It's $80 just to get a card signed. But yeah, I'm going for that, and I'm gonna get this signed. It's pretty sick, and I'll let you know when I get that signed. Alright, so yeah, Jake, thanks for this. This is going in the Topps Chrome autograph thing. Let me know if anybody else has these. Alright, peace.